Well, after a shaky start to 2021, what a year it turned out to be. Since Boris let us loose back in July, I've filmed 44 weddings, and what a pleasure it has been to be part of so many big days. And after everything we've been through, everyone's just partied that little bit harder, danced, laughed, and loved that little bit more, and it has just been a joy to be a part of. A huge thank you to every single one of my couples that I've worked with over the last year, their families, every supplier and venue that I've worked with. Thank you for being so accommodating and flexible with all the isolations and postponements and dates moving. And apart from anything else, I had the arrival of little baby Wing in August, so thank you all for being so accommodating and patient. It really is appreciated, and I'm really looking forward to seeing some of you again at weddings next year. So from me and Team Wing, big love, happy new year, and all the best for 2022.